Hello. Today, we will be talking about our EP769 Kraft paper tabletop attachment. The EP769 Kraft paper tabletop attachment is your answer to easy tabletop bundling. It is made of solid steel with a robust design, making it your reliable long-term solution to bundling. It also features an easy load system with extra long handles, allowing for less time reloading and more productivity. The EP769 can hold and dispense rolls that are 18 inches and smaller or 36 inches and smaller with its two size options. Larger size options of the EP769 are available by request. The bottom clamp system also makes it effortless to secure and relocate it to wherever you need. While the name says Kraft paper, you can use anything on a roll. Whether it be bubble wrap, stretch wrap, or foam, the EP769 can dispense it for you. It also works for poly tubing or as a label dispenser, making it extremely versatile. Loading the EP769 is extremely simple and easy. First, secure the EP769 to your table by tightening the clamps on the bottom. Twist until they are nice and taut. Next, take your rod off the dispenser to slide into your roll. Now, it is ready to use. Simply pull on your material to dispense. Notice the easy and smooth dispensing from the EP769. There is no need to worry about loose rolls while bundling. Make the EP769 your solution to all your bundling problems. The EP769 is made in the USA, right here at Encore Packaging. For more information, please contact your nearest distributor. Thank you.